Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin with a few essentials. Make sure your iPhone is online and you know the email alias and a strong password. Once ready, open Settings or the App Store and search for Google or Gmail because installing an app makes setup quicker. Tap Get or the blue download icon. After install, open the app and tap Add Account, choose Google. This starts the sign-up flow. You'll enter name, birth date, and gender, so have that info ready. Now complete the detailed form. Type your name, birth date, and gender because Google uses this for account recovery and age checks. When choosing a username, try variations if your preferred name is taken. Once chosen, create a password of at least 12 characters for security. Next, add a recovery phone or email. This helps if you lose access. Make sure to allow SMS verification when prompted. Finish by reviewing Google's terms and privacy prompts and tap Accept. Once done, choose sync settings for mail, contacts, and calendar so your iPhone integrates smoothly. After finalizing preferences, you'll see a welcome screen. Open Gmail or Google to confirm messages and sync. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Turn Wi-Fi off and on, reboot the phone, or use a desktop browser to complete verification. If SMS codes fail, request a voice call or use an alternate recovery email to finish setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.